this is Brenda's Desserts from around the world, and today's destination is Brazil. I'll be trying the recipe for brigadeiros. So let's get started. First, to make our brigadeiros, you're gonna need your saucepan. I'm just gonna put it on medium heat. And what I have here is sweetened condensed milk. This is like 1 can, 14 ounces. Now I'm going to add cocoa powder. I'm going to sift it in. It's like 1/4 cup. I'm gonna mix that in. And then when it's well combined, you want to add your tablespoon of butter. So I believe it's ready. So when you do this to the bottom of the pan and it sticks, then it's definitely ready. You can see clearly sauce is ready. Now you want to take it off the heat and transfer into a bowl. I'm going to spread it out. So now I'm just going to leave this in the refrigerator to cool down. It may take 30 minutes to an hour. So I already did the milk chocolate brigadeiros, so now we're going to do the white chocolate. So again, you're going to need 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, or 1 can. I'm going to put my heat on low. I'm going to add a tablespoon of heavy cream. add a tablespoon of butter. Also, for this recipe, do not use margarine. Make sure you use butter. I'm using unsalted butter. My butter is completely melted, so I'm gonna add my 1 cup of white chocolate snaps. Make sure to keep stirring so you won't burn the chocolate. Now you can see when we scrape and it holds its shape, it's ready. Put it in the pan. So I'm gonna take this off the heat and I'm gonna transfer it to a bowl. And once again, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to an hour. Now my milk chocolate ones had cooled down. Now it's time to shape. So you want to get butter and just wipe some on your hand. Then I'm just using a regular cookie scoop. You can use a spoon as well. I'm just gonna roll it in my hands. Just like this. Now I have 4 toppings. The traditional way is the chocolate sprinkles. And they also use the color sprinkles for like parties, but you can also use like shredded coconut. And right here I have crushed walnuts. So I'm just gonna do the chocolate sprinkles first. So you just dip them in. There you go, and I have little tiny muffin cups that I just put them in. Just like that. Now I have my white chocolate out. Same, I have my chocolate sprinkles, color sprinkles, coconut shavings, and crushed walnuts. So it's the same thing. You just want to get some butter on your hands. I'm using again a cookie scoop. Roll it in your hands. Then dip in any sprinkles or topping you like. Again, you could pick any topping you like. You don't have to go with walnuts. You can use peanuts. Anything you like. So they're all topped already, so let's give one a try. First, let's try the milk chocolate first. So the milk chocolate and the white chocolate came out very delicious. I especially like the milk chocolate because it's pretty much you're eating a ball of fudge, and who doesn't like fudge? So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It was only 3 ingredients. How easy is that? So yeah, try this recipe and let me know how it went for you guys. And like always, I see you in my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.